This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach the bottom lip as you're crocheting the head of my free Amigurumi pattern, Dante the Dragon. I've included a link to this pattern in the video description. At this point, your head should be completed to the end of round 10. You should also have completed all the rounds of the bottom lip. If you haven't already, fasten off, leaving a 12-inch yarn tail. Then we're going to pinch the final round together. And we're going to slip stitch through both layers all the way across. Insert your hook through the first stitch of the round, then through the last stitch of the round. Yarn over and draw through the strand to complete the first slip stitch. Hide the remaining yarn tail inside the work. Your bottom lip is now ready to attach. It will be crocheted into the head as you complete round 11. Let's do this round together. Single crochet in the first 17 stitches of the round. 1, 2, 3, 15, 16, 17. Now for the next 10 stitches, we will be single crocheting through the slip stitches on the bottom lip and through the next 10 stitches of the head. Insert your hook through the first slip stitch, then through the next stitch on the head, and complete a single crochet. Do this in the next 9 stitches. To complete the round, single crochet in the remaining 3 stitches. Complete the remainder of the head as your pattern is written. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!